My dear student, I would like to warmest wishes to all and welcome Faridpur Virtual School. Dear student, I request you to share my class so that the more student can take part in my class. Dear learners, let us start the today's class. Welcome Faridpur Virtual School. The student, I am Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School, Faridpur. Today's lesson's identity. Subject English second paper, class 8, unit 7, lesson 3, River Gypsies in Bangladesh. Textbook page number 82. Dear student, I request you to open your English first paper, English for Today book, page number 82. Now dear student, we follow the screen. What are you looking in the picture? Dear student, what are you looking in the picture? Some boards, who are the owner of this tent? Dear student, follow the screen carefully. Who are the owner of this tent? From the slide, who are they? Dear student, who are they? Yes, you are correct. You understand? They are river gypsies. So dear student, today's lesson introduction, River Gypsies in Bangladesh, unit 7, lesson 3, textbook page number 82. Learning outcome of this passage. By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to talk about river gypsies in Bangladesh, use new words, fill in the gap, choose the best answer, ask and answer question. First, we know some word meaning from your text. Toddler. Toddler means a young child who is just beginning to work. Toddler means a young child who is just beginning to walk. Toddlers plays with dogs or other pets in the dust. Tarpaulin. Tarpaulin means a kind of water-proof cloth used for making tent. Tarpaulin means a kind of waterproof cloth used for making tent. The poor live in tarpaulin tents. The poor live in tarpaulin tents. Tent. Tent means temporary living place, like a camp. River gypsies live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open air bank. This is a tent. This is a tarpaulin, temporary tent. Pulse. Pulse means jewels, jewelry. River gypsies dive for natural pulse in waters. Natural pulse. This is natural pulse. Women use it cosmetics. The student, you know, women use it as cosmetics. Cosmetics. Cosmetics means grease paint. Cosmetics mean grease paint. Women go from door to door to sell cosmetics. River gypsies women go from door to door to sell cosmetics. Let us have a tour from the textbook. Open page at 82. Dear student, open your textbook page number 82. Now you read with me about the text. River gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in the groups and don't own any land. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of our waters. These people part of our waters. The student understand what I say? Follow the screen and we can see some picture about river gypsies. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open air banks. You can see their men relaxing in the tents. Toddler, this is toddler. Toddlers play with dogs. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing picking up lice in twos or threes sitting in a row. From the picture, we see some women, two or threes in a row, sitting in a row and picking up lice. The student look at the screen and we can see some picture about river gypsies. This is Pearl catching fish. There are some other picture. These are tents, snake charming. Another picture, sucking blood. From this picture we see sucking blood. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks, men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. The student, many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or special power. Villagers believe that magical power of gypsies. Okay, dear student, from the picture we see urban area of Bangladesh and the condition of river gypsies. River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. First, Bangladesh is urbanizing very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. Here, hence, their income is threatened. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of previous waterways has shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers in the country in dry season. Follow the screen and we see some picture of river gypsy, about river gypsies. From the slide we see some picture about river gypsies. Yes, scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global climate change. The unpredictable rain and drying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Thirdly, many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. They are thinking of living permanently on hand. The authority feels that river gypsies need help to survive in the mainstream population. Therefore, the government is offering voting rights, permanent housing and bank loan facilities. However, change do not come overnight. Here are some pictures about river gypsies lifestyle. Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They have inherited from their forefathers necessary life skill to survive in waters. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society. So, the authority feels the need to bring them under formal education network, but they have no permanent living place. Gypsy children are born and brought up on roaming boats. Therefore, they cannot go to conventional schools, and hence mobile boat schools are coming up for gypsy children. Some voluntary organizations are running special schools on boats to educate river gypsy children in some areas. Okay, dear student, now circle the right answer from the following. Circle the right answer from the following questions. Number 1, the term ethnic is connected with people, B, plants, C, animals, D, fishes. Yes, the term ethnic is connected with people. Yes, you are correct. People is the right answer of this question. Question number 2, river gypsies roam around on their boats about dash month a year. Answer number 1, 6 month, 7 month, 8 month, 9 month. May to December. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, correct answer 8 month. Circle the answer. Circle the right answer. Right answer number C, 8 month. Question number 3. River gypsies live in tents in summer, winter, monsoon, spring. Winter is the correct answer. The term nomadic refers to a person, number A, living permanently at a place, traveling from place to place, living in one's own house, living in a rented house. Correct answer B, traveling from place to place. Nomadic refers traveling from place to place. Okay, dear students, now we learn tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay. Number 1, Vedas catches snakes during the winter, rainy, summer season. Correct answer is summer season. Females of the Bede families contribute to the family income, education, health with petty trades. Female of the Bede families, female member of Bede families contribute to the family income is the correct answer. The family income. Question number 3. They sometimes go vending far from home by rickshaw, oblique on foot, oblique by cart. Think about the question, dear student. Yes, you are right. Correct answer is on foot. They sometimes go vending far from home by rickshaw, on foot, by cart. Correct answer on foot. Question number 4. Many Vedas have settled near the river banks, lakeside, seashore. Many Vedas have settled near the river bank. Correct answer river banks. Question number 5. Vedas are an integral part of our history and literature, culture, tradition. Vedas are an integral part of our history and literature, culture, tradition. Correct answer tradition. Vedas are an integral part of our tradition. Okay, dear students. Now, evaluation by question. Question number 1. Who are river gypsies? Correct answer. river gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. River gypsies are an ethnic group of Bangladesh. Question number 2. How do they live? How do they live? They live in groups. They live in groups. Question number 3. What do river gypsies do in winter? Question number 3. What do river gypsies do in winter? Winter is a season. Correct answer. In winter, river makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks and relaxing in the tents. Question number 4. What do river gypsy men do for a living? What do river gypsy men do for a living? Correct answer. River gypsy men catch snake and entertain with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Again, river gypsy men catch snake and entertain with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Last question, question number 5. What do river gypsy women do for a living? River gypsy women do for a living. Correct answer. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. They also try to help pains of old people often by sucking out blood from their body. Again, women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. They also try to help pains of old people often by sucking out blood from their body. The student, I think you understand today's lesson. Now I gave you homework. Follow the screen. Homework question number 1. Which are the main problem that river gypsies are facing? Question number 2. What is the effect of global climate change in Bangladesh? What is the effect of global climate change in Bangladesh? Why are many, question number 3, why are many river gypsies thinking of changing their lifestyle? Why are many river gypsies thinking of changing their lifestyle? Question number 4. Why cannot river gypsy children go to conventional schools? Question number 5. Who are running a special school for river gypsy children? Why? Who are running a special school for river gypsy children? Why? Dear learners, I think you watch my class lightly. I hope that you are stay at home, never go out for this pandemic situation. This homework you will show your subject teacher when you are going to school. No more today, dear student. Stay at home. No tension about this situation. Thank you. Thank you, dear student. Okay. Bye.